Hey guys, Chase and Matt here, back with another
Hanger.
It is a blizzard here in Toronto, December 24th, Christmas Eve. But,
Christmas
so you
Eve
think Christmas
most
Eve,
of
a
you?
blizzard, we wouldn't be making a video? Wrong. We're making hockey shooting in a blizzard. We're going to be trying to shoot in a blizzard.
We're doing challenges. So I just shot the puck, and I literally cannot raise the puck in this.
Yeah, it's
So
hard.
we're gonna do a crossbar challenge, maybe some post challenges,
We're just going to be
and
shooting.
maybe some edits.
Yeah, and we're
So
going to be
we'll see
shooting.
what happens, boys.
Sorry for not posting in a while. Chase posted his first own video. We're going to be posting videos on our own, sometimes along with together.
Well, we actually did make a video, but Matthew decided to ruin it.
It was horrible. It was us reacting to this Jack Russell race. Go watch it though. That's a hilarious video. So
we'll just-
our rule for our own videos is you have to film with a GoPro,
Maybe we'll,
not these.
you know what?
Not
Maybe we'll
together.
Matthew will just download it and post it on his channel. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted. It's the funniest shit I think I've ever seen. Oh, beep that out. It's the funniest shit I think I've.
Are you? It's the funniest bleep he's ever seen. Okay. So we're gonna be shooting in a blizzard. Let's do this, baby.
So as you can see, it's very blizzardy right now.
Like, we tried to wipe this off so many times, and this is so.
We're gonna do the first one to hit the crossbar. Oh my god.
Oh, first try. Ooh, so that actually wasn't that hard. First try.
I'm gonna try to take a slap shot now. I don't think this is gonna go so well. Watch out, Matt. Oh my god, my hair just slipped.
And that was with the light puck. Let me try with the heavy puck.
We're gonna be doing a replay on that. We're gonna be doing a replay, slow-mo replay on that right now.
Ow! My knee. What the hell, my knee? Under my knee.
Man, like, look, we can't even see the pucks.
That hurt so much. I hit myself right there.
We're gonna do a slow-mo replay on that.
Right now.
Okay,
Hope you enjoyed that replay.
so now let's do an edit, Matthew.
Okay, let's do that. 3, 2, 1. Edit time. So sorry guys for the short video. We are freezing.
We're gonna jump in the, but right now we're gonna both jump in the snow.
No, I cannot. Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay. Sorry for the short video. We are freezing. My hands are literally frozen. I think I have
Listen, I'm a
frostbite.
fucking savage.
So go. Oh, my hands. Okay. I will too. Since he did. I don't want to seem like a pussy. Oh, jeez. So sorry guys about that. The video just ended because it was too cold. My phone was wet. But we'll see you in the next video. Sorry for the short video. It was freezing. Hands are freezing. So a peace out. It ain't my fault.